यस रेफ्रीको सिटी बलसँग हाम्रो खेल सुरु भइसकेको छ र यसमा मानिकले एकदमै र आउट भएको छ। त्यसैगरी लोरेनले पास गर्नु गइरहनु भएको छ र रियालले पास गर्नुभयो र डिपलिएर बल पुग्न गइरहेको छ। एकदमै विशाल प्रतिस्पर्धा भइरहेको छ र यसमा एकदम रेड टाइगर्सको एकदमै भीषण अट्याक भइरहेको छ र पछाडि बल पछाडि गइरहेको छ र त्यसपछि जेम्सले अगाडि बल लानुभएको छ। त्यसैगरी मानिकले एकदमै चलाइरहनु भएको छ र राइट विङमा खेल्नुभएको मानिकले र यसमा हाम्रो कृतज्ञ र लोरेनको बल पास भइरहेको छ र हाम्रो भ्युअर्स एकदमै डिफेन्ड भइरहेको छ र बल आउट भएको छ र अब लोरेनले बल पास गर्नु गइरहेको छ। Red Tigers are successful have scored one goal and the score is 1-0. Okay, now we are on the episode. Okay, now after scoring a beautiful goal by the Red Tigers, now Lauren has passed the ball to Rian. Likewise, Rian to now there is again to Lauren. Now away to Rizan. Now Riders are playing a safe game, whereas Manning has again taken the ball upon. Now again Manning is leading, and now Rizan is tagging him. Okay, now the Riders are playing in the defense position. Again there is a tackle between Manning and Rian. Now the Riders are playing forward. Again Rian is successfully defending the ball. Now Manning has taken now. It is in the defense. It is past Riders. And those to not get over the game. Pitagya. Now Pitagya has passed the ball to James. James is ready for it. Again there is the ball goes to Alas. Now Eric Mata is getting the ball. He has passed to Disas and Disas is trying to score a goal. Now he has passed to Manik. Now Manik is near the corner and is passed to Disas. They are playing the ball backwards. Now the ball is passed to Aaron and Elaine and he's getting the ball. Now it is out. He tried to pass the ball to Alas down, but it went out. Now the keeper Fernandez passed the ball, but unsuccessfully it is out of box. Now Aaron is getting the ball, he's trying to pass the ball to now it is Alas. Alas is passing the ball to Aaron Mendele. Aaron Mendele is late. Now there are two defenders. Now the Riders are playing in their defense position. The Tigers are meant to attack. That's why they are attacking. Okay, now it is corner by Red Tigers. Manik is hitting the free kick from the corner. He is passing the ball to Ellen. Now he has not been able to score. Okay, now it is to Rian. Rian has controlled the ball. It is passed to Ellen. Now to Pitagya. And the Tigers are playing first time defense. It is passed to Manik. Whereas now the player is good. Almost a goal. It was a nice attempt by Rizan from Riders. Now it's out. Now it's a throw up. Blue Riders. Okay, now for the first time, Blue Riders are playing the attack missile. Lauren has passed the ball. No, it's wrong. Okay, now it's almost a tackle. Okay, now it is passed to Red are playing the and again to shot. It's now shot. Okay, now Manning goes to the ball. And is ready for it. Now it's out. I request the Riders substitute to the bench back. Line model ka sa nila. Okay, now Manning is it's out. He tried to shoot the ball. Okay, he has got the corner. Now he is shooting the ball from the corner. He has passed to Aaron Mendele. Then to Disas. This is playing his back. He has successfully passed to Alas. Now Alas is successfully laying down Aaron Mendele. Now the 20 seconds shoots the ball and the Rhinos have set the ball. Manik is again trying to pass the ball to Disses. And now the ball to Disses and Disses to Manik Gado. Again it is passed to Manik. Rian is tackling. Now Rian is taking the ball for again Zeds. Now to Rizon and he has passed to the defender Lauren. Now to Rizon and again the Awas has control of the ball. Then to Ellen. Then to Manik. Now the ball is going back to the. Okay now, Ellen is winning the ball. Then to Aaron Mandare. Then Aaron is successfully taking the ball forward. Okay now he has been tackled by the two Rhinos. Good. Then to Manik is trying to save the score. Oh, it's a save. Again, Tigers got the corner. As you can see, Tiger is a carnivore, eh? Rhino is a herbivore. So being a carnivore, Tigers likes to hunt its prey. That's why Tiger is attacking. Tiger is moving the ball. Whereas Rhino being a herbivore is defending the ball. Now it is to head in. Now, okay now. Oh, I'm confused. Who is the defender? Who is the goalkeeper of this? Now it is passed to Rian. They are playing in defense position. Now the ball was to Awas, then to Manik. Okay, now to Ellen and then again to Manik. So, okay, now then again to Awas ball. Then again Awas is trying to shoot. Oh, he does. Okay, so there is a mistake of this timer. He blocked the ball, passed by the goal. Now again to Manik. This is the first by Sanders to go. This is trying to score a goal, but it was a nice attempt. It went beside the goalpost. The Tigers are playing both attack and defense pretty well, whereas okay, again this time is still trying to shoot. It was a mistake goal. It was nice defense by Rian and the capture of the ball by Pranab. He has tried pass the ball. Okay, okay. Now Manik is going to shoot the ball. Yes, okay. The nice defense by Lauren. Okay. Now it is to the Rian and then again there is nice tackling between all the players. Okay, Rian fell off. Okay, Aaron Mandare. Now James is controlling at the bottom of the ball. Now yes, push the ball forward. Now Awas has control of the ball. Again to this is nice passes by the Tigers. Whereas the players of the Blue House are mostly found in the center of the ground. Now again David, Tigers are leading. Again, David Segalu. Okay, now Manik is trying to score the ball. Okay, there is almost hand. Okay, nice. Shoot out by Awas, but they get a corner again. Red gets a corner. Okay, there is a change. Okay, number 11, James is out and Ron is in. Okay. Okay, now there is a face attempt by Dishes Tama. Okay, now Sabamana is leading the ball. Now he's trying to put the ball. Now I think he's confused between what he should hit the ball. Okay, now Rian is playing for the ball. Okay, now Blue gets the ball. Okay, now there is change between Dishes and Farah. Player number 6 out and Farah Manik. Now Blue is leading the ball, trying to score a goal. Now again the ball is passed to okay, Rian has got the ball, then again to Savar Bandare. Then again, Agren has the ball. Now Manik is leading the ball. Now he's trying to score a goal. And it's a nice shoot. But the keeper Pranab successfully got the ball. Again the ball is out. Now Awas is the ball. Now he's passing the ball. Oh, there is nobody. Now Lauren has control the ball. Nice shoot out by Aaron Mandare, but it went out of the goal post. Okay, now the goalkeeper passing the ball. The Awas is almost at the current tackle. And Aaron Mandare has successfully taken control of the ball. Now to Rian. Then to Rizon. Okay, Rizon has passed the ball. Then he has given the ball to Lauren. And Lauren is trying to shoot a pass. Oh my god, I know. Manik got the ball. Oh my god. Oh. Again, again the Tigers got the corner. Now he's navigating the field. He has passed the ball. Blue House has the control of the ball. Again, he just passed. Now Rian has the control of the ball. Now the boys are running towards the red line. Mani has the control of the ball. Now Mani is trying to pass the ball to. Oh, it's a save! Almost a goal. What a beautiful honor by Malik Chakrabarti. The Red Tigers are playing in the attacking position, whereas the Blue Riders are playing in defense position. The Red Tigers are found everywhere in the ground, whereas the Blue Riders are found especially in the center part of the ground. Now we are talking about Aaron Vandaru. Okay, now Aaron is trying to score now. Abbas has passed. What a comeback by Sabal. Mani is winning the ball. Okay, now it's the beautiful defense by Lauren Sakya. Again, Mani gets the ball. Again, defense by Lauren. Again to Abbas. Almost a goal. Okay, now it's a corner by the Tiger. Okay, now Abbas is navigating the field. Now he's trying to pass the ball to. Oh, there was a not beautiful block by. Okay, now it's passed to the corner. Okay, now the goalkeeper has passed the ball to. Okay, what a beautiful heading by Aaron Vandaru. The ball goes to Riders and beautiful defense by defense. Okay, now Aaron is trying to shoot the ball. Okay, now Rian is navigating the field, he's trying to score goal. Now he's passing the ball to. Okay, Ronis is trying his last. Now the ball goes to. He tried to take the goal to the goal post, but the boys have successfully. Okay, now. Okay, the keeper gets the ball, and now Chirag passes the ball to. Chirag passes the ball to. He's trying to figure out whether he should pass the ball. Okay, he has passed the ball now. Oh, nice try by Sabal. Okay, now Chirag. Hey, no. Okay, the goalkeeper has hit the ball. Now it's a hit the ball. It's not a corner. Now this is it's out. Blue gets the ball. Riders get the ball. The keeper gets the ball. Okay, now the keeper passes the ball to Regan. Oh, now it's Rudy has got control of the ball. He's trying to score. It's out. Riders get the corner. It's a corner. Listen to the whistle of the referee. It's a corner. Lawrence Haka is going to shoot from the corner. Lauren has passed the ball to Ronis, but no. Nice attempt, but it's out. Now keeper gets the hold of the ball. Now Chirag passes the ball to. He shoots the ball. Now Rian has to go to the ball. Ronis. Nice defense by Abbas. Now he's getting the ball. Now he's the ball, leading the ball, putting the lines. After the ball, it's out. Dal gets the ball. Dal shoots the ball. It's covered by Ronis and Ronis. Aaron has the ball. Sabal has the ball. Sabal is shooting the ball too. Okay. Abbas has the ball. Abbas is leading the ball. Abbas has the ball. What a beautiful game by Abbas. There are no defenses. There are no defenders in the Blue Riders. So now they have. Now the goal is. Now the score is. Now the score is 2-0. After the whistle of the ball, Levin passes the ball to Rian. Rian to... Okay, now Rian is giving the ball. Rian to Willis. Okay, now this first time is over. Okay, now. Okay, till the first half, the Red Tigers have successfully scored 2 goals, whereas Blue Rhinos have been unable to score even a goal. So till the first half, the score is 2-0. Now we have 5 minutes break.